Commander Panda, this is Task Force Swift, over. Reference your map, over. We have secured Area 11. We have pushed forward and we are near the road that's running north-south that is to the west of the checkpoint. There's a large amount of enemy force on the western side of the eastern north-south road. How copy, over?
The guys on our left got hit pretty bad.
Okay, see you push up.
Hey guys, yellow tape right here. Is that the map? Yeah, that's the map. At least you two back there.
Looee Peter, I got movement at my 3, around 200, 300 feet back.
Push up forward, we're going to sit there and support that position. Let's go.
Contact front! One down!
Keep fire, Owen. Keep fire. Owen. Yeah. Move to your right.
Contact! Other side of the road!
2 down.
Team 2, push.
Orange.
Hey, James!
Contact left! Looee Peter, it's starting to get sporty on my side.
Let's go.
Get on line. Going that way. Sean, you beat to my right. Owen, far right. Tearz, Looee. I'm gonna need to know where you are so we can link up, over. You're really going way too far beyond what we need. The POW camp is under attack. I need you to fall back, over. Hold right here. Hey, talk to me. What do you got going on?
They keep saying the road, but I don't see anyone yet. And I swear I saw some people crossing over here.
Yeah, but that's out of bounds, so we're not going to worry about that so much.
Okay.
They have people down that road. You see them?
I see them, but can't get them.
All right, that's okay. I'm going to take my team up. We're going to push on the far side of this. We're going to take care of that.
See,
Peter,
that whole side's out of
Peter.
bounds.
If you go beyond there, you're going to see yellow tape.
I can't see
That's-
the yellow tape, but
Start moving up to my right. Use the structures as cover. Get in front of this POW camp. Set yourself up. Have Owen move with you. Did you tell Owen? Owen! Let's go. Owen, move up. Huh?
We occupy this, it is a spawn point. It is? Yeah. Well, that's one of the Stoner.
Commander Panda, this is Task Force Swift, over. Peter, move in front of the POW camp and set up a good machine gun position to cover that road. Peter, Looee, I'll be up with you momentarily.
Roger. Owen, we're going to set up a line right through here, okay?
Hey, Walker, you have movement to the right and to the left of us. I don't know if they're friendly or not.
Oh, don't shoot them until we know. Friendly's coming up the rear.
Wasting ammo. If you're not moving, you're wasting ammo. Let's go. Feel right. Stay there. Keep healing. You stay there. You got contact with this.
Fucking God. Crossing your front. Did you get Owen?
What?
Did you get? Hey, Tearz, or Peter, let's go. Hey. Where's your TL?
Moving up to the POW camp. Right there.
Got him. Tearz, Looee, link up. All right. Hey guys, give me security this way. All right. Not you. You're with me.
not a lot of heavy
Hang on,
contact. Roger that.
All right, so I definitely understand you're in a fight. I got it. But if you're not, I'm gonna have to, because of the fact that I have to contact you first. I'm gonna have to hit you up often. Okay. All right. We fought them off here. They're trying to sit there and push across this line right here. You see this road? When we get back, we have to name these roads, okay? They're trying to push across this road right here. So, what we end up doing is moving up. We're gonna move past it. We're already past POW camp. We're gonna
Camp is this right here, right?
Yeah, no. Yeah, it's right there. Okay. We're gonna move that way. Get across the road and try to set up a line, okay? We set up a 360, pretty much patrol base. If they come through, we hit them, okay?
It's all good.
Get you guys together. Let's go do this.
All right.
You got everything?
Team
You're
one.
good? You're good? You got everything? You're good?
Yeah.
Alright, go.
Cool. Let's go. See?
My team on me. Get eyes that way, but I'm gonna show you. Come here, Owen.
Yeah.
Come to my left. Look, team one. So right now, you're right here. Take a knee, man. Take a knee, look that way, or take a knee, orient that way. Right now, we are in front of the road. We're behind this POW camp. We're right here, okay? See where my finger is? See where my finger is?
Yeah.
That's the POW camp. This is where we are. We're gonna take the team. We're gonna move them around, cross the road, and be in between 9 and 6, setting up a little 360 there, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Panda, what is your pause over?